Hi everyone, Sandy Trefger here with a showcase walkthrough video of my latest design team creation for Country Crafts Creations using Authentique's Solitude 12x12 paper collection. Here on the front cover I made a pocket with one of the cut-aparts and added some tags that you can pull in and out of the pocket. I also used some Nouveau crystal drops. Let me pull it up so you can see, to add a little bit of sparkle and make it look like snow. This is what I use, the Nouveau crystal drops that you can order from countrycraftcreations.com along with the paper collection. I added some of the store's seam binding ribbon and I kept the back plain. Now this is a pretty good size album. Here on the inside I have a pocket with some tags and a fold out booklet. The actual album cover measures 10 inches tall by 7.5 inches wide, and the pages are 9.5 inches tall by 7 inches wide. Here on the front page we have the flip up and flip down where you can add a couple of pictures, and this is held closed with a magnet, and each page does have the sleeve pocket where you can tuck in some large photo mats. I kept mine plain and rounded the corners to make it easier to go in and out. So I will not be showing you all of these, but each page of the 6 pages in the album does have this. Page 2 has places for small photos, and then it has a large flip out. And then I have a little booklet here that tucks into a pocket. So there's lots of pockets where you can add different little elements, extra photo mats as you need them. And I tried to keep this all in a winter theme. You could turn it into a Christmas album, but it's perfect for those snowy days and skiing and sledding, ice skating. So this page has a pocket here for these fold outs and more photo mats. And then I have another pocket page with large, these are 5x7 photo mats inside these pockets, and these are the little flips here. So you could add photos there. And then this unties, and I have a triple set of pockets where you can put tags, photos, fold outs, just different elements that you want to add into these pockets. Now originally this album I designed it about 3 years ago, and I did not do a tutorial. I had many requests a tutorial. It was a recipe book for a gift, so at the time I didn't think about doing a tutorial, but I have remade the base, the exact same base of the album, but changed the paper. So you could use this for any paper collection that you choose. You could make it a Christmas, a birthday, anniversary, and as I did before, a recipe album. And I will share the links to the original album so that you can see what that one looked like. This page we have more photo mats, some here in the pocket, and here we have photo mats, another flip out with more pockets and large photo mats here. So as you can see, if you used it as a recipe album, you'd have a lot of tuck places for your recipe cards. And again, I will share the link to that video that showcases the recipe album so that you can see how it looks in a different design of paper. But this is a really pretty collection. You can order this from countrycraftcreations.com. Here I have a variation of a waterfall. It's just 3 large ones with a large bottom flap, no magnet on this one, and then I added paper here on the side, and then on the last, well, you can see here the sleeve, and here on the last one I have more 5x7 photo mats in the pocket. And that's my winter Solitude album. I will have a tutorial for this on how to make the basic album, the cover and all the pages. We'll not show a decorating tutorial video, but we'll show you how to make this and then show you the pages when they're finished. So I want to thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and then click on the bell so that you can follow and know when the tutorial is ready for this project. Be sure to shop at countrycraftcreations.com for your supplies, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.